Hello viewers, here is the last and final Air King fan that I have purchased. This is model 9220, the 20-inch model. This is the biggest one they offer in this series. It's heavy. The packaging looks to be the same as the 18-inch model. Okay. Manual. This hardly fits on my table. I'm going to have to turn this a little bit. There we go, that'll work. So this is rated for 1.9 amps, and it also claims to conform to UL standards, though I don't believe it actually bears the rating. Irreplaceable fused plug. Oh dear. Well, I guess it wants to be used. I was going to show it, but I guess I'll show it afterwards. It's started up on low. These have a nice, slow, quiet, low speed. This is no louder than a box fan would be. It does shake though. I guess they all shake except for the 12. Okay, let's go up to number 2. It's taken a long time to get up to speed. Oh dear. This one actually isn't too out of balance. It's got some noise to it. I don't know where that's coming from. That's awful. It's getting worse. I'll try tightening the guard screws. I don't necessarily think that's what it is, but I don't know what else. This is welded on, so that's not loose. It does go away, so it's got to be something that resonates at a certain frequency in there. What let's do is start up to high, because I believe these have kind of an interesting startup on high. I do like the slow low speed, and it does move a lot of air in high, I'll give it that much, but I'm not happy with the noise. I hate to say it, but these have some quality control issues. Because I got 4 of them. 3 of them shake pretty bad, and 1 of them makes awful sounds. So that's not a very high success rate. This one is either going to go back or they're going to give me my money back for it. Either way, I'm not keeping a $108 fan with that much noise. Well, we'll see what happens with this one. If they decide to give me a refund, I'll see if I can fix the noise. If not, I'm just going to send it back. I'll let it spin down, then we'll cut the video out here.